Namaste, Namaskara, Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, a lot of students ask me, sir, everyone are saying that at least 3-4 readings are required for examination preparation. Otherwise, it is not possible to clear the examination, sir. What is this actually 3-4 readings? How is it even possible? Now, only 30 days are left for my examination for September 2025 attempt. Is it really possible to cover the syllabus for 3 to 4 times, or people are just faking this up? This is actually real. You need to at least cover your syllabus for 3 to 4 times. But how is it possible? Let's check out. First thing is, where do you do first reading? In the classroom. Whenever you attend your classes for a particular subject, the first reading is done in the classroom itself. And the second reading is you need to do your own self-study. After you are done with your classes, you have to do a detailed self-study of that particular subject. That is where you do your second revision. And now, mind you, just 30 days are left for September 2025 examination, and I assume that you are already done with these two readings. If you are not done with your second reading yet, then sorry boss, you are in a deep trouble. It is very difficult for you to clear that particular subject, guys. At least by now you should have been done with one detailed study of the full subject, boss. Now, when it comes to third reading, this third reading you will be doing in this last 30 days. Now, last 35 days, I am recording this video on 25th. So, I assume you will be doing this third reading now. In this last 30 days, you can actually do this third reading. How to approach in this last 30 days, because a lot of you must be preparing for both the groups. You have very limited time on hand, but I'll give you a perfect strategy in this video itself, how you can actually revise the whole income tax and GST both for tax paper 100 marks, how you can revise in this last 30 days with a very limited time. Next, fourth reading, when you can do, sir, boss, the fourth reading you do it one day before your examination. You know very well, every examination you will get one day as a preparation time. Once you are done with one particular paper, the next day is a holiday for you to prepare for the next examination. So that is when you actually prepare for your fourth reading. I hope this is clear. This is how people actually clear or revise their whole stuff in 4 readings. Next thing, sir, we have very limited time on hand now. Hardly 30 days are left. So in this 30 days, I have to give my time for other papers also. Not that I'm only preparing for tax paper. How to even manage this? Was just 1 week if you give for a tax paper in this 30-35 days of time, cater just a week of time, your tax paper will be done. How to do it? First thing is, boss, give full 2 to 3 days. Maximum 3 days you give full day you just prepare GST. Your GST preparation will be done. Cover everything. Don't leave everything. Don't leave anything, boss. Because GST, first thing, if it is compared with income tax, GST has less syllabus, easy syllabus, not many stuff to remember, and easy to tackle. So GST 100% of the syllabus you have to finish off in just within 2 to 3 days. Watch revision videos, marathon videos. You want to do self study, anything, chart book, revision book, smart summary notes, whatever. But you need to make sure you are covering the whole GST syllabus in 3 days. It is very much possible. Very much possible. You need to cover all the concepts. Next thing, give another 2 days. After 3 days, you are done with GST. First preference GST. Once it is done, then give additional 2 days for high scoring small topics of income tax. See, in income tax, there are some topics which are very vast, like PGBP, capital gains and salaries, vast topics, but the weightage is less. PGBP, of course, the weightage is good, but when it comes to topics like capital gains or salaries, hardly some weightage is there, but the syllabus is humongous. So we need to actually utilize our time in a most effective manner. So how to utilize? First, you will be prioritizing high scoring small topics. Means there are some small topics in income tax which if you can finish in very limited time, but it will actually give you high score. What are these topics, sir? Basic concepts. Hardly it will take you 1 hour of time to finish off basic concepts. Agriculture income, hardly half an hour. Income from house property, 1 hour. See, boss, income from house property, most of the times it is being asked in the examination. Income from other sources, Clubbing of income, residential status. Residential status, 99% chances are there you will be asked and tested on residential status topic. Every attempt you, and in the recent May 2025 attempt, beautiful question was framed on residential status. Set off and carry forward of losses and exemptions. These topics can easily be done in just 2 days of time. Finish off these topics in 2 days of time. It is very much possible. You know what, just by doing these topics you can easily expect 30 to 35 marks of your question paper. Very much possible. Are you getting it? So, sir, are you referring that you need to ignore PGBP, capital gains and salaries? No, I'll be coming to that. But just imagine in this 5 days, 3 plus 2, 5 days of time, you are able to cover full GST and cover those topics in income tax which are high scoring, but you need to spend very less time on. Are you getting this? Sir, in this 5 days, do I need to do writing practice as well? No. What I'm saying is just read the whole topics, all topics you read. If you want, you can prepare summary notes. You don't actually spend time on summary notes, boss. Nowadays, lot of chat books are there. Summary notes are available of lot of authors and teachers in the market. Grab any one good one and just finish it off. Finish it off. I hope this is clear. Next. When it comes to MCQs, lot of students I see, they waste their time on lot of Telegram channels, this channel, that channel, this website, this faculty. No, boss. Chumma, you are wasting your time. Shall I go for this MCQ, that MCQ? Only do ICI MCQs, enough. Because whenever you are revising the syllabus, no, whenever you are revising the whole syllabus, actually MCQ is a byproduct of your revision. Once you are done with a good amount of revision of your topics, automatically you will be in a position to solve the MCQs. No need to again solve separately. Are you getting it? If you just want to test yourself, solve only ICI MCQs. ICI module will be having MCQs on the website. They have provided no case studies. So only do them. That is more than sufficient. Don't waste your time in unnecessary Telegram channels where they give very poor quality of MCQs, boss. Are you getting it? Next step. Topics like PGBP, capital gain, salaries. I'm not asking you to ignore them, but how to cover them through revision videos. Please cover them, because if you sit and read from the books, it will take more of your time. Rather if you go for a revision video, not necessarily mine, any good faculty you think the faculty is good, please do refer the revision videos for these 3 topics. Because what happens, the faculty will try to cover the maximum portion of these 3 important topics in a very limited time in a marathon revision videos. If you want to watch my own marathon video, it is available on this channel itself. If you want, I'll leave that video's link in this video's description. You can watch that as well. Hardly what was PGBP, I think in 1.5 hours it will be covered, or maximum 2 hours faculty will take to cover this. But he will teach you in such a way that it will be easily remembered in your mind and you will be able to recall at the time of solving the questions. I'll come to solving the questions also. So these 3 topics you will cover from the revision videos. Next, daily 1 hour answer writing practice is required, boss. Tax treatments and adjustments you need to make note. What is this, sir? See, now till here, what you have done, you have revised your GST, you have revised your small topics, high scoring topics of income tax, you have revised. You also have revised your PGPP, capital gain, everything. Once you are done with that, daily 1 hour, take some random RTP. Sometimes you can take a very recent May 2025 tax paper was amazing. If you can solve a very recent May 2025 tax paper, was nothing is required. You are very good enough. Just to take a question paper, answer all the thing, compare it to the suggested answers which are already released by ICI. So you're done. You will be knowing where you are making mistakes or committing mistakes. Just work on them. So make sure you are not committing that mistake again. Are you getting it? So while you are practicing, make a small note of what are all the tax adjustments are there. Important tax adjustments you make a note, which will be helpful for your 1.5 days before your examination preparation. So those tax treatments, important tax treatments and adjustments, make a separate note and keep it with you. That will be helpful for the coming 4th revision 1 day before your examination. I hope this is clear. So daily 1 hour answer writing practice is required. When I say answer writing practice, you need not write in a beautiful manner like examination presentation. No, do rough. Just to make sure you are getting the right concepts, you are having the hold on the adjustments and the tax provisions. That's all. That is good enough. Are you getting it? Then where from you I'll solve the questions, sir? RTPs, MTPs, latest previous year question papers, or you can solve from the study material. This will be good enough. So 1 week, once you are done with this third reading of the whole syllabus, 1 week you give daily 1 hour, that would suffice for the tax practice. So plan your last day revision, boss. So one day before your examination, you get a leave for preparation of the tax paper. On that to 1.5 day, what you will be doing, you have to prepare, you have to make a plan now itself. One of the things I already told you, when you are practicing the questions, make a short note of all the tax adjustments, tricky adjustments, that will suffice. Yes, so this is all from my end, boss. Just to follow this strategy. Many students have followed this kind of a strategy, have got 70s, 80s, 60s. Everything is possible. You just be calm, focus on your preparation. Don't waste your time now, boss. Whatever mistakes you did in the last 2 months does not matter. But if you commit any kind of crime now by wasting your time in the last 30 days, no one will forgive you. You have to take that responsibility, and you have to utilize this best 30 days which are there in your hand. If you just utilize this 30 days properly, give both the groups CA Inter and clear it off, another 700 days you will be in a chill mode doing your articleship for 2 years. So 30 days you want to struggle, or another 3-4 months you want to struggle for the coming attempt, that is up to you, boss. So 30 days, full-fledged, full focused, you have to prepare very well. Watch my marathon video if you want to watch on this channel itself. I'll leave that video's link in this description. And do let me know if you have any other thoughts about income tax paper or GST paper, you want any kind of other video, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll prepare a video on that. I hope this is clear. Implement this. Tax will be cakewalk for you. Okay, I hope this is clear. Take care and bye-bye.